Welcome back to my channel. So today I am vlogging because Matt and I are going to the Lavendaire workbook launch event, and it's at this co-working space in Fullerton that looks super cute, and they're gonna have all kinds of like arts and crafts and a couple of workshop like panel type things and a meet and greet, and so I thought it would be a really fun thing to vlog. Are you excited?
You have no idea who this is. I have no idea what we're going to.
But you're such a good sport though.
I know.
Oh, I love it. All right, here's the event. Oh, it's so pretty.
Right here.
I love your shirt.
Oh, thank you. So there's a station right over there where there's all like $5 and then if you want to try
Feel free to look around. We have like amazing vendors. We have Face Tori there. We have Uba Tuba over there making acai bowls.
So I just ran into my friend Mariella, who also has a channel that I'll link up, I think up here. It's where it shows up. We just got here.
And went over there, there's food, and they have like acai, like fruit and stuff, so that's really good.
Food is always the best.
Yeah.
Not really. I'll go back to BlizzCon.
I'll take this over BlizzCon any day.
So great. I love it.
Yeah.
We're immortalized.
Noel is a business coach for high-achieving women who want to up-level their wealth through feng shui principles and business systems and marketing strategies. Kristen empowers women to step into their higher purpose in business. So today she'll be hosting a workshop on how to overcome fear, and it's going to be fun and interactive. She'll probably get some volunteers, so don't be shy. Come closer if you want to get in on this, because she's the real deal.
My name is Megan Acuna. By the way, I'm a graphic designer. I work closely with influencers, but I also have a YouTube channel where I talk about sustainability and living a really fulfilled life on a budget, creating less waste, and trying to connect to the planet on a
So essentially this exercise is going to show everyone and show yourselves that fear is actually really silly, okay? Fear is nothing. So why don't you, actually we'll start with you, why don't you tell everyone what is a limited belief that you have? What is something that you tell yourself? So I'm actually going to demonstrate what I want all three of you guys to do. So a limited belief that I told myself before coming here and learning that there is no slides for me to, work off of was, oh my God, panic. That was my limited belief, and believing that I can't do it without slides. So essentially, I want you guys to pretend that you're at Jamba Juice and you're ordering something, okay? And I'm going to show you guys, so fear not, okay? So I'm basically going to exaggerate what being panicked looks like, or feeling like I can't do it, okay? So I'm at Jamba Juice and I'm with the cashier. So we're going to be ordering a smoothie, okay? Oh my God, can I get the orange? No, wait, hang on. Let's get apple. Actually, I'm not really sure. Okay. Do you see what I just did?
I guess for me, like my dark moments, I tend to think that like everybody is happier than me, and like I'm just faking it. So like imposter syndrome.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Imposter syndrome.
Yeah.
All right. So you're imposter syndrome, and you're ordering a smoothie from me.
Hi, this is Jamba I feel, maybe I shouldn't order, maybe I should just go. Everybody else is better at ordering junk juice than I am, and they've obviously done it before, and this is my first time, so I'm probably not going to get any good about it. It's never mind, I'm not going to get it at all.
Awesome. Yay.
Alright guys, so we are all done with the Lavendaire launch event. It was so great. The event was beautiful and I'm so excited to start working on the workbook. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll link all of the information about the workbook like down below in case you were interested and you wanted to learn some more of it. And I guess what I took away from this is like, you know, you are the biggest thing getting in your own way, and don't do that and kick fear in the butt. And I hope you guys are having an awesome day wherever you are, and I'll see you all with my next video.
Love and launch.
Bye.